Rob, here once first.
Don't let your two girls down now, Rob.
Do I need to go to the other end to make sure we go around the outside?
Over here. Line up. Come here. Okay, sorry.
You guys better move while he drives the tractor out here.
That's how it
Try when you lose, Rob. Okay, everybody. Where are they going to? We only have
around that sign.
I've got a sheet right here that they both sign. Rules are mower that you own, they both own, not over 13 horse, 13 horse, 12 and a half. Decks or baggage can be removed. No shortcuts on the course. No blocking or cutting off. Results are final. Brass strong must be mounted on the loser's hood for the 2010 mowing season.
No crying.
Yes.
Finish is right here.
Right here, they go down and around and back.
Here, let me get down there and then you start them.
Where's Rob? Oh, there he is, making the first corner. Souped up one. Oh, he's gonna lap him. He's gonna lap him. Here he comes. Uh-oh, what's gonna happen? He's gonna lap him. Oh, he lapped him.
Rob, what happened?
Sorry, she's running a little slow. Shake hands like a man.
Hey, Rob, next time take it away. That's a 13 horsepower. That's not a 13.
Want a bet?